Namaste. In this video, we are going to solve this problem if given x is equal to cube root of 4 plus cube root of 2 plus 1. Then find the value of 3 upon x plus 3 upon x square plus 1 upon x cube. So here given x is equal to cube root of 4 plus cube root of 2 plus 1. So x is equal to 4, we can write 2 square, and here cube root, so square it means power 2, and cube root it means divided by 3. So 2 to the power 2 upon 3. Here 2 to the power 1 upon 3, and this is 1. Do you know this formula, like a cube minus b cube, difference of cubes? So a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So when we compare this part, this parenthesis with this, so here a value means here a squares, and here 2 to the power 1/3 square, it means 2 upon 3. So a value 2 to the power 1 upon 3, and b value 1. We want like this, a minus b. So a value 2 to the power 1 upon 3 minus b value 1. So x is equal to, this one we can write here 2 to the power 1/3 square, okay, or you can just write as it is this. And here this 2 to the power 1/3 multiply 1, it means same this, plus 1 square or just 1, and both side multiply by 2 to the power 1/3 minus 1. Here also 2 to the power 1/3 minus 1, because we want here multiply with this parenthesis a minus b. So this is 2 to the power 1 upon 3 minus 1, x is equal to, and this one whole thing just like this, so we can write a cube minus b cube, a value this 2 to the power 1 upon 3 cube, okay, minus b value here 1, so b cube it means 1 cube, okay. So 2 to the power 1 upon 3 minus 1 x, and here when power multiply, so we get 1, it means 2, and 1 cube is 1, so 2 minus 1 1, okay. We can write like this, 2 to the power 1 upon 3 minus 1 x. Now x transfer this side, so divide. So this is 2 to the power 1 upon 3 minus 1 is equal to 1 upon x. Okay. And 1 transfer this side. So 2 to the power 1 upon 3 is equal to 1 plus 1 upon x. Or we can write 1 plus 1 upon x is equal to 2 to the power 1 upon 3. We got this value, okay. Here in the question asking this one, this part, 3 upon x plus 3 upon x square plus 1 upon x cube. 3 upon x plus 3 upon x square plus 1 upon x cube. Okay, so here common denominator is x cube. So here 3x cube No, actually x square, because here already x. Okay, and here 3x, because here in the denominator x square, and here 1. Okay, here x cube, 3x square plus 3x plus 1. If I add here x cube and subtract x cube, so this one is a algebraic identity. Algebraic identity a plus b whole cube. So a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So here you can compare with this one. So here a value x and b value 1. So we can easily write here x plus 1 cube minus this one x cube and divided by x cube. Okay. Now here x plus 1 cube divided by x cube. Okay, this one minus, we divide this x cube divided by x cube. So here both are cube. So x plus 1 divided by x divided by x 1, and this is 1 upon x whole cube. Okay, this one we can write like this, minus 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 upon x we already found here, this one 2 to the power 1 upon 3. So 2 to the power 1 upon 3 cube minus 1. Here 1 upon 3 multiply 3, we get 1. It means 2 to the power 1. So 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, yes, 1. And this is our final answer. So final answer is 1. Okay, here 1. Very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.